All right, if you own pets like we do, we have two large dogs. They're always leaving hair behind on the actual couch. If you guys can see that, there's a lot of hair in here. We know that our dog's been laying here at night because it's been cold. So we're gonna buy some covers just for these kind of couches. This is a 3-seat couch cover that we're gonna set up and see how it looks. So we do have legs for it that kick out on the two sides. We're gonna see if it's compatible with it too. So let's put it together. You guys can see there's 3 pieces to the actual sofa part, including with it. These are actually plastics to tie them down. So we're gonna go ahead and set them up. So you have 3 pieces that you have to set up. When you're setting them up, they're labeled, all right? Like this tells you it's the back, all right? They have labels that you have to be aware, and then they also have these bungee cords, to stretchable cords to tie them down and hook up to the actual extensions, which are these right here, to make sure they fit, cross fit. All right, here's the final result, guys. It looks really good. It's all slimmed down. It's stretchable, so it fits pretty much any couch. This is a 3-seat couch, if you guys can see that. Now, one of the best things I like about it, that you can open the actual, your feet rest, and it's not going to interfere with the actual system itself. It grabs on pretty good. On top of that, it has side pockets, so you could save either your remote control or your books. It comes in handy when you want to save stuff on the side of the actual couches. Now, this whole setup, it took about 15 to 20 minutes. It took 2 people, me, my wife and I, put it together. In the back, it's stretchable. You could tie it down with the plastics if you want, optional, but this actually embedded really good with the actual couch. All you got to do is tuck it in, and that's it. Now, we do have other couch covers that are not like this. They actually keep falling off. They go in in places that they're not supposed to be going. This one actually embeds really good, and it looks really good too, and it gives a new life to the couch. You get it in various colors and sizes. I hope you guys enjoy the video.